Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade V8 Lite, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification on this phone. Now, as you can see, the phone right here is locked, and to unlock it I would normally need to put in the previously logged in Google account. But assuming we don't know this, we're just going to begin the bypass by going back to the first page. So, back out. Now, if you haven't done so yet, do connect to your network before you back out here. And once you're connected to some kind of Wi-Fi, you can then start it. So we're gonna now tap on Vision Settings, and from here we're gonna choose TalkBack, enable it, select OK, and oh, it's not actually talking. That's surprising. So anyway, once you see
TalkBack on. TalkBack is a screen reader primarily for people with blindness and low vision. It allows interaction with the device using spoken. TalkBack tutorial. Roswin. Media button. Media button.
Why is that? Oh, there we go. So once you see this page right over here, you want to basically draw an L on the screen. So just like randomly an L on it, and it will bring up this tiny little window. So from here you want to select TalkBack settings. So click on it once to select it, and then double click on it to confirm it. Hopefully this will disappear soon, the volume, but well. Anyway, from here we're gonna now hold volume up and volume down so we can actually navigate normally through the phone, because normally, as you can see, you can't really scroll up and down anymore. So hold both of the volume keys. Suspend TalkBack, select OK. And now we can normally use our device. So we're gonna now scroll down to help and feedback, and we're gonna search for MO, use Morse code. It's just a quick way to find it. It will load it up, and as you can see, there is a video in here, so you want to click on it once. This will load it up and give you a 3-dot option in the corner in a second. There we go. So once you see it, tap on it and select Watch Later, which will open up our web browser. So select Chrome, okay, there we go. So now once we're on it, you want to type in HardReset.Info in the search bar. Like so. Or apparently not like so. There we go. So from here, you want to tap on those 3 bars in the corner, and then select Download Category. Once you get rid of this pop-up, and in the search bar, you want to type in Android 7.1.2. Or actually, I will check if just typing 7.1 will give me this. So typing it this way, there's a couple more pop-ups, but we're looking for this specific one. So FRP bypass Android 7.1.2 and 10. And I click on download. Scroll down, select download once more, update permissions, and allow. Okay, and this should start the download. Once it's finished, I believe we get a pop-up right here. There we go. So select open and navigate to settings, and you want to check this button right here, unknown sources, confirm it, and then go back. And let's see if we need to download it again. Yep, it looks like we need to download it again so we can actually install it now. So I'm going to select replace folder or a file. Select open once more, next, and install. And from there you want to select done. Then right at the top you want to select the link, remove too much. Okay, so HardReset.Info, and this time around you want to add additional content to it. So we're looking for the slash button, assuming I can find it. It's right here, there we go. So for me it's under the A letter, and then type in bypass, like so. And from here scroll down and tap on settings. As you can see, this opens up these settings on the phone, and you want to start off in the settings by going into security. There we go, and then select device administrator and Android device manager, I believe. Quickly make sure. Deactivate this device admin. Normally I believe there should be something like find my device, but I don't really see it, so this is the only thing left to disable, so that's what I did. Anyway, from here we're gonna now go to apps. There we go, apps. Then you want to tap on the three dots and then show system. And from here scroll down to letter G and look for Google Play Services. Select disable and disable app. And let me make sure. Okay, so once you disable the Play Services, we can go back to the main settings page. And now we're going to go into accounts, select add account, choose Google. And now simply log in with your Google account. So if you don't have a Google account for some reason, you can always create one, although I wouldn't recommend doing it on this device, even though you do have a button here. I have no idea how well it works, so that's why. But you can also use an existing account if you have one, which is what I will be doing. So I'll put my password in right now. And there we go. As you can see, I now logged in. So I'm gonna select agree. Now this will probably come up several more times throughout the setup. Completely disregard it. This pop-up doesn't matter anymore. The application that we have downloaded, which is what this pop-up is referring to, has allowed us to actually add our Google account overall. Without this application, this wouldn't be an option. So anyway, from here we're gonna go back, and we're gonna go back to apps, and we need to re-enable the Google Play Services under show system. Again, scroll down to Google Play Services and select enable. Once you have enabled it, simply hold the power key and choose restart. Okay, so now the device is back on. Select this, exit, and okay, so TalkBack is still enabled, so we'll need to turn it off. Again, hold volume up and volume down. Suspend, okay. And now we can normally use the device. So from here, you want to simply go through the setup process, skipping everything that you can. At this moment, we don't really want to set up our device because it doesn't really matter how we set it up. We still need to perform factory reset of it. Now, as you can see, it gives us a message right here that account was added, and obviously you can see that this is the account that I have added right before I rebooted the device. So what happened is it overrides the old account with this one. So it allows us to simply finish up the setup. Now, like I mentioned, we still need to perform a factory reset. What you just seen right here is just like a temporary fix that allows you just to gain access to the home screen. Anyway, so once you have access to the home screen, you want to find the settings application. From here, scroll all the way down to Advanced Settings, Backup and Reset, Factory Data Reset, and Reset Phone. Then erase everything. Now, I won't be going over the resetting of the device on the camera. It's just gonna waste your time, to be honest. All it does is performs a factory reset of the device, and once it's completed, you're back in the setup screen. But at that point, you can set up your device however you like. It will be fully unlocked at that point, so you can do whatever you want with it. So anyway, this would basically conclude the reset, or not reset, but bypass of the Google account on this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.